Welcome to 20 Car. The Ford Transit 350 concept is a velvet sledgehammer, gentle in grace, brutal in force. Cloaked in Crimson Vortex paint that swirls like a desert storm, its titanium skin grille smolders with aggression. Roof-mounted drones scout traffic, relaying real-time data to the cockpit. This van doesn't navigate, it conquers. Slip into the CyberLoft interior, where modular seats pivot on magnetic discs. A 27-inch curved screen dominates the dash, powered by Ford's Sync 6 AI, which learns your coffee orders and stock picks. The cargo floor? Electroluminescent panels glow to highlight cargo zones, marrying pragmatism with cyberpunk chic. A twin-turbo 3.5 liters EcoBoost V6 hurls 365 horsepower and 510 pounds-to-foot through a 10-speed gearbox. 0-100 kilometers height blitzes in 6.8 seconds, faster than a base Porsche Macan. Yet, the $60,000 Transit-350 faces fierce rivals, Mercedes Sprinter's luxury, Ram's hybrid thrift. Long-term, Ford's Copilot 360 slashes insurance rates, but resale values dip if the tech feels dated. On-road, sport-tuned suspension and rear air springs deliver sedan-like agility, though laden rides grow jittery. Weakness? The raucous engine note clashes with its premium vibe. Answer the call. The Transit 350 isn't a vehicle, it's a revolution with a steering wheel.